Yes, good evening, student. Today we are going to start the third unit of third chapter of ecosystem, that is the biotic component. Okay, so we all know about the what are the biotic components. We already discussed in the first unit. They are the non-living factors of the environment. Okay, they also play a very important role in the ecosystem. Okay, so among the biotic factors, the most important are the climatic and edaphic factors. So climatic factors and edaphic factors, they are very important in the ecosystem. So climate factors are the include air, water, light, temperature, humidity. Okay, they all play very important role in the formation of any kind of ecosystem. So today we are going to discuss about the climatic factors only. First is air. So air is, we know that air present at everywhere. So it is the one of the most important factor of the atmosphere. It is essential for the survival of life. So we know that the life on the earth is due to the presence of air, because air contain a mixture of many gases: nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, argon, helium, ozone, other gases, and water content, they are also present. The most concentration of nitrogen and then oxygen and then carbon dioxide is present over here. So oxygen is very much important for the existence of life on the earth. So it means air is important for the survival on the earth. Proportion of water in the temperature depend and varies from the region of the region. So we know that the proportion of air depend upon the water concentration. Okay, so it varies from area to area. How much water content in the we know that in the rainy season, the more humidity is present in the air, so water content increase. Animals and plants require oxygen. So if oxygen is absent, the organism, they will not able to respire. Okay, if carbon dioxide is not present in the air, then it will be difficult for the plants to perform the function of photosynthesis. So you know that these both gases, oxygen and carbon dioxide gas, they both are very important from the plants and animals. Okay, and we know that oxygen is a gas that is used in the during the respiration, and carbon dioxide is exhaled during the respiration by animals. So oxygen is produced by the plants and they absorbed by the carbon dioxide is absorbed by the plants. So that is the oxygen is the byproduct of photosynthesis, so very important. What is atmosphere? Atmosphere is the envelope of air that surrounds the earth, is called atmosphere. It, we have a earth, and around is a blanket like structure that is called that surround the earth is called the atmosphere. Atmosphere have the four zones, that is the troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, and thermosphere. Okay, so atmosphere act as a protective blanket basically, because it absorb harmful radiations coming, ultraviolet radiations coming from the sun every time produce ultraviolet cosmic rays and ultraviolet rays, so it absorb that and protect the organisms on the earth. Okay, then the harmful radiations are absorbed in the upper atmosphere as well as reflected back in the space. So the excessive heat and sun rays are reflected back into the space by the dust particles. So air contain dust particles, we know that. So they strike with the dust particle and just go back into the atmosphere. Okay, into the sky, they go back into the space, water vapors and cloud, all the result in the earth receiving just the right amount of heat and sun rays, which help in the climate control and allow the living organism to exist over here. So we know that they all the conditions that fulfill for the survival, the need for the survival on the earth, they are present here. Okay, so we know that due to the this troposphere, stratosphere and mesosphere, the earth, the survival on the earth is possible, because in the troposphere we know that that is up to the 10-kilometer range, and most atmospheric air is present in this region. Okay, troposphere, it contains the most atmospheric air is present in this region, and the stratosphere is up to the, it leads up to the 10 to 60 kilometer, ठीक है, may extend up to the 80. Then climate contain ozone layer that trap most ultraviolet radiation and protect life. So UV rays also, they cause so many diseases in the animals, cataract हो गया, inflammatory diseases हो गया, cancer. Ultraviolet rays are very much important for the cancer. Okay, responsible basically. Mesosphere protect the earth from the celestial rocky masses. So they, it protect from that rocky masses. And thermosphere, all atmosphere atoms occur in the ionized form and free electrons are here. Okay, so basically most of the man-made satellites are present here in at different heights. So most of the satellites that we launch into the space, they are in this thermosphere range. Okay,